Has Blender stopped working the way you expect? Maybe you've changed too many settings, an add-on caused problems, or you simply want to start fresh. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset Blender settings back to their default state in 2026. So yeah, let's get started. First, launch Blender on your computer. If Blender still opens normally, you can reset most settings directly from within the application. If you're unable to open Blender, don't worry. We'll also cover another method shortly. Next, click File, then navigate to Defaults, and choose Load Factory Settings. Blender will immediately return to its default configuration for the current session. This is the quickest way to remove custom preferences and workspace changes temporarily. If you'd like Blender to keep these default settings every time it starts, go back to File, choose Defaults, and then click Save Startup File. Without saving the startup file, Blender may return to your previous custom setup the next time you launch it. If Blender won't open correctly, or the reset didn't solve the problem, you can remove the user configuration folder from your computer. The next time Blender starts, it automatically creates a brand new configuration with the default settings. This is often the best solution for corrupted preferences. After resetting Blender, reinstall or enable only the add-ons you actually use. If a specific add-on caused the issue, test Blender before enabling it again. This helps you identify whether an extension is responsible for the problem, and that's how to reset Blender settings in 2026. Whether you're troubleshooting problems or simply starting fresh, restoring the default settings can solve many common issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Blender guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.